Hello all, and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little bit of a slow flow, really just trying to work out and work into all the connective tissues and muscles, any tightness or tension also they may be holding on to. So you guys know the drill. Grab a mat, maybe some water, and we can get started. So we are going to begin just by sitting in a regular lotus position to start. We're going to bring our arms up, bringing hands to touch, looking up. Exhaling, bringing the hands to chest. Again, looking up, inhaling. Exhaling, coming back down. One more time, inhaling, looking up. Exhaling, looking down. From here, dropping the hands in front of you, maybe rolling forward a little bit, putting a little pressure on the wrist and then pushing up. And we're going to walk our hands a little bit further, pushing up, making sure our sitting bones are trying to stay on that mat. From here, bringing your right wrist in, push up and turn a little bit to the side. Inhaling, pushing up and out of your torso and turning. Inhale, turn back. Stretch the right hand, bring the left hand in. Again, inhale, turn in or come up. Exhale, turn the body to the left. Inhale, turn back. Left hand comes to meet right hand. From here, we're going to bring our hands back in and play around with the wrist. So bringing the hand forward, the right wrist forward, pressing it down, exhaling as you do so, doing it very slowly until you feel a good enough stretch. You want to feel a little bit of a stretch, but we don't want any pain. Inhale, exhale as you push it down. Inhale as you bring it up. Give me 3 more. Exhale. Inhale up. 2. Last one, 3. From here, we're going to switch, doing it on the left hand side, so bringing that forward. Inhale, come up. Exhale to bring it down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3 more. Up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 1 more here. Inhale up. Exhale down. Flipping that right or that left hand. And then bringing both hands up, we're just going to roll out the wrist a little bit. So rolling them counterclockwise. And then we'll do it the opposite way, rolling clockwise here. From here, we're going to put our hands right back on the mat. We're going to roll forward, tucking the toes, and pushing into our first downward dog. So inhaling, exhaling as you push your hips up to the ceiling for that first downward dog. Maybe leaving a little bend in your knees. The first one may be a little bit tight. Feel free to walk it out, maybe bringing the right in, holding a few breaths, and then switching. Again, switch. And switch. From here, dropping both heels, we're now just going to lift and lower. We're really trying to get into the calves and the hamstrings with this stretch. Give me 3 more. Lift, exhale to lower. Inhale, lift, exhale, lower. Last one, inhale, lift, exhale, lower. From here, we're going to walk our right foot forward, dropping the back knee, looking up. From here, pushing back, exhaling as you do so, stretching out the front leg. Inhale, look up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. Give me 2 more like that. Again, up. Exhale, down. Last one, up. Exhale, down. From here, rolling forward, coming back into that lunge, stepping that right foot back, pushing back into downward dog. Again, option to walk out those legs, so maybe bringing the right front forward, and then switching to the left. Do that again on both sides, again the right. And then exhaling as we bring the left up, right comes down. From there, dropping the left foot, and then bringing that left foot forward, coming back into that low lunge. Again, exhaling to push back. Taking your time as you do so. Right hand comes to left foot, exhaling to come down. Inhale to come up. 4 more times like this. Exhaling. Inhaling up. Down. Inhale up. Give me 2 more. Up. Last one. Inhale up. Again, we're going to walk forward, pushing back into that low lunge. Stepping up and kicking back into that downward dog. From here, you should start to feel maybe some more looseness within the hamstrings and the calves. Again, you always have that option to walk out the legs, maybe to deepen that stretch, whatever feels good to you. Walking that out a few more times here before coming to our child's pose. The last one. Bringing both heels down to the mat, rolling forward, dropping down to your knees, maybe spreading them, bringing them to the outside of your mat, sitting back, or going into a child's pose. Exhaling, bringing the forehead and the chest down to the mat. From here, you have the option of bringing your left hand up and swooping it underneath the right hand, getting a nice shoulder stretch. When you are ready, you can take that left hand out, extend it, bringing the right hand up, exhaling to bring it down and under. Bring that hand forward, exhaling a few more breaths in Child's Pose. From here, rolling forward, coming back into seated, we're going to finish off, again, this very slow but quick flow, with a little bit of stretching with the arms. So bringing the right hand up, stretching to the left side, maybe bringing the elbow down on the left thigh. If you're looking for even deeper stretch, grabbing the right hand with the left arm and bringing it, exhaling, coming up and over, to get a nice side stretch and arm stretch. Inhale to come back up, exhaling to bring the arms down. Again, bringing the left hand up and over, exhaling, coming to the right side, maybe dropping the right forearm on the right thigh. Again, if you're looking for a deeper stretch, grabbing the left hand with the right hand, or the left wrist with the right hand, inhaling, exhaling, pulling it over. And while you're doing this, make sure you're not leaning, really trying to keep both sitting bones on the mat while pulling from the side. Again, inhale to come back up. Bringing the arms down into cactus, and then we'll bring them up. Give me 2, 3, 4, 5. And just to work on a little mobility, just crossing the arms, giving yourself a big hug, right over left. Maybe hollowing out if you can. Trying to bring the elbows to the front of the room, front of the mat. Inhaling, looking up. Exhaling, coming undone. Bringing the left on top, right under. Again, trying to give yourself a big hug. Hollowing out. And then inhaling, looking up. Unravel as you exhale. And just to circle out the body, give me 2 rolls to the right and 2 to the left. That is just our post-road trip, post-Labor Day, stuck in a car, stuck in a plane, kind of unwind, slow flow for today. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you're feeling a lot looser, a lot more tranquil if possible, more relaxed. If you did like the video, always a thumbs up is appreciated. You can certainly subscribe as well and leave a comment down below. But that is it for today, and I will be seeing you guys in next week's class. I hope you have a great day. Namaste.